This lesson is going to be just, I want to touch on krap and ka because someone sent me an email and said they were confused because they were, I guess, a lady speaking and they were talking to somebody else. And she thought that when she was talking to a man, she had to say krap. And when she was talking to another lady, she had to say ka. And then she was confused, of course, with the ka falling tone and the ka high tone. So I'm just briefly going to do a quick lesson on this, just so you know, although I could have probably already answered that in one question, but let's just look at it, okay? This is taking a few steps back, but I want to make sure that you're clear on this. It depends on the sex of who is speaking, not on to whom that person is speaking, okay? So if I'm talking to another man, I'm going to say krap at the end of my sentences. If I'm talking to a woman, I'm going to say krap at the end of my sentences. That's just the way it is. And if you're a woman, you're always going to say ka, ka. Unless, ladies, you're asking a question, and then you have the option to put on the high tone, ka. So again, it depends upon the sex of who is speaking. So men, pretty easy, you always say krap, and women, pretty easy, you're always saying ka or ka. Just to illustrate, let's watch these now. We're not going to repeat them or anything. Just listen to them, and then we'll be out of this lesson quickly. But I just wanted to get that point made.
แล้วคุณล่ะครับเป็นยังไงบ้างแล้วคุณล่ะครับเป็นยังไงบ้างแล้วคุณล่ะครับเป็นยังไงบ้าง
แล้วคุณล่ะคะเป็นยังไงบ้างแล้วคุณล่ะคะเป็นยังไงบ้าง
แล้วคุณล่ะครับเป็นยังไงบ้างแล้วคุณล่ะครับเป็นยังไงบ้างแล้วคุณล่ะครับเป็นยังไงบ้าง
There is one new word in here. It's la. It's a polite particle. It means each, per, every, and it's polite.